Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Ukhuluma noDavid Moluzi la. uDavid Moluzi ubhuti kamfowethu lo ucabena lo bafowethu awucuno. Lento ayiye lo muntu lo ubona ngathi uyipresident weAfrica. Uzungichazele namhlanje ngithi kuyena. Kudala ngikakhuluma nabantu bemedia abaningi kakhulu baseKZN. Ngathi ngifuna inamba yangu. Kolunye bafowethu ngithembisa abantu kule conference call nami nabo. Labantu dala lo mfana lo wesimthisele indlu namhlanje nomunye wakhona lo bawu2. Lamadoda ngifuna phansi phezulu. And kusazofiwa mina ngiphuma eMalawi mina. Umfo lo ucabane nalobafo ucuno lo eJoburg umfowethu. Mfana omncane oZimbabwe. Ngifuna ukuthi kuyena lo ucuno lo. Ngichazelene ukuthi indlu yakhe yachiswa ngomuntu. Labantu bebeza kuleyo ndlu leyo befuna yena abantu befuna bemshaya ikhanda. But abashisa ngandlu. Leyo ndlu leyo yachiswa ngomuntu. Leyo ndlu leyo ishiswe mina. Ishiswe mina thina sisebenza ngento sesintu. Sithumela abafana abancane. Leyo isayini kubonakalisa ukuthi akanamandla lo mfana lo ucuno lo akanamandla. La kimi ngizama umchallenge bengafuna ucitha gas. But ngifuna nje ukuthi ngibonakalise ukuthi usemfana omncane labantu bathumele lapho bafike abamtholanga but vele bacaza ukuthi abangamdukule izodila naye mina ngokwami. Izinto zesintu asiyenzi into yokuthi sizoba negazi but umuntu mayiba nenkinga challenger liba ne-challenge abanayo vele uyosuka kufiwe makufiwe. Lo bafolona uhlukumeza abantu ukufika thina abantu ukufika ke kabuhlungu into singazoziyamkela. Abanye banamandla ukuthi bazothina but mina nginawo ke amandla and amandla enginawo ukuthi mina naye nabo ula uthula mala uthula amadoda ngifuna ukuthi amadoda uthu kahle mina nawo if bona bazibiza ukuthi amadoda kahle kahle bazibonakalise nje mina ngibonakalisile and ngizama ukuthi ke yena njengoba kuthiwa uvakashile wayeke if unenkani ukuthi uzophendula ngendlela ukuthi yena uzibonakala mhlawumbe uyinkonzi hayi ke makaphendule mayiphendula azayazi ukuthi nginika nje 5 days iningi kakhulu ngizomshayisa ngezulu mina so sengithumele umunye umuntu ukuthi makenze mina ngishayisa ngezulu into okwenza izulu i2 seconds la kimi ukuthi izulu masenza thina malawi silenza izulu sisebenza igama sibonga umuntu 10 minutes iningi kakhulu so sikushaya uthumisa uphelile sisicede ngawo so yena lo mfana omncane uyafana undaka ngendabeni mfana omncane kakhulu nalo munye wakhona lo bawu2 ngiyabadinga phansi phezulu fale voice note ifake yonke indawo ufuna bayifike bayizwe futhi ukuthi ngisikini na ningabafana abancane lento niyenze kuhlumeza lokufika nisazoyibona sizothola lo nokufunayo ukufa vele usezandleni zenu nibambe ukufa ngokwenu nina akekho umuntu obambe ukufa kwenu nina abantu bambe ukufa kwenu so mina ngikhona ku challenge if inenkinga nalento ngikhulumayo mabangithinte kubani i-location lapho ngihlala khona ngibanike location ukuthi bafike singa-challengeana mina nginankinga mina into zomoya into engizaziyo ukubulala umuntu uyi2 seconds kimi not ngizibamba no mina ngithakatha inyanga nje into encane lezo not inyanga zenza seKZN ucaza ukuthi izomshayisa ngezulu 50 years ukuthi ngishayisa ngayo mina ngikhuluma into engayenzi 2 seconds uhambile so if unenkani esibiza ukuthi unamasenda amakhulu namasenda amakhulu ihlukumeza abantu esitratweni makayenze yenzani ngisikunina isikhathi senu siyafika siyaphela manje if lamadoda anenkani ngicela ba challenge mina ngibabonisa ukuthi 3 hours iningi kakhulu uzaba ungalibona ilanga la emhlabeni then nginiyabini ubuza ama-passport manje ezulwini asenziwa kanjalo wathinta umfana wrong lo mfana ucuno wathinta umfana wrong ahlumeza umfana wami eJoburg ngayibona yonke le nto so ngizama ukuthi le nto ngenza revenge indlela okukhuluma ngomfana wami and kusazofiwa mafuna responda inamba yami ngakunikeza inamba yami ngakunika inamba yami anytime ngiyayibiza le namba 8063 problem onenkani ngithi kuwena onenkani if ninenkani nonke nje msunye ezinja ngisikuni ngikhona mina igama lami uDavid Moluzi ngisikuni msunye ezinja abantwana bamahule kusazofiwa kusazoyiwa kude vele ngiqale imbi engizoziphele ezo zinto ezishisile and ayikho into enoyenza futhi nonke onenkani ufuna challenge mina masiye khona sinika ne10 minutes umuntu ubani uzophila even kwe10 minutes noba kudeka kanani mina ngithatha phansi and ubudomo benu ukuthi nifake i-social media nifake namagama wenu asi-ID igama lakho leli wabizwa la yilona isibongo sakho thina sisebenzisa isibongo sakho negama lakho ukuthatha phansi akuhluphi lokho because nifaka amagama oqiniso ku-social media sokulula kakhulu ukuthi simthathe phansi so ngifuna ukuthi ifuni nenkani madoda ngilinde nina ucuno lo ivi zishile nempahla yonke ishile asifuna ukuthi simphefumule vele ingane ziyafuna sisemabhakade but-ke angikwenzi lokho ngifuna yena ingane azenza lutho ngifuna yena so if yena uyachallenge baka-challenge athi ngiyachallenge sibone ukuthi kuyayephi angithi yena ukuthi uyindoda amasendela mina ngiyokugqokisa idress mina uyingazana so mase yena uJoyina Masimba lawo ngohlumeza abantu ufika bayenzeni so masiyeni khona manifuna siye khona sibone ukuthi ubani nabantu uzokufa nina no-2 nokufa nofa kaHlobo then ngibuye futhi izibulo ukuthi abantu uJenita ezosuma ngiphinde ngibuye ngibize kulo sisi wetutula omunye lo angifuni kakhulu abantu besifazane ngifuna nina amadoda if ngaqala na ya bonke abantu bazokulinda ufunda isifundo so ngifuna ukuthi kunina if nine challenge let's continue masiyenze lento ngiyaphuma mina ngithi muzana ukusola abanye abantu ukuthi ubanothisa izindlu inamba ngifakile nanzi inamba ikhona anytime ngiyafona sihlangane if ubona ukuthi wena unamandla amasenda amakhulu basihlanganene sibone ukuthi banomkhulu banomncane banomncane sibone ukuthi kuya kephi ngisho abantu kaBuhlungu abantu kufika bayenze ngifumeza umfana wami eJoburg ngithu yenzeni ngithi kunina if ninengane ngifakile inamba faka mina msana ubani problem faka ilocation ngizofaka ilocation mina sihlangane face to face ngibona ukuthi mina abafana bami bazoshaya mina not ebusuku angidubule mina othokolo nje bakushaya mina nje 2 seconds if umuntu onenkani nje makangena athi mina ngiyachallenge mina ngibonise nje ukuthi ngizi example ngiyenze yona if ninenkani ngenani sibona senza kanjani thina eMalawi sihlale
Ngisakoli nje basiqhubekana lo mkhankaso okuzama ukuthi silungise izwe khona ukuthi abo belongiphomba ukuthi ngibe segoli mangabe ke ngithi nje ngikhona kufanele umakoti ke wami omncane uyena ohlala lawo lo muzi uhlala abantu full time umakoti uSibali ingane yami bese kuzoba uanti obheka ingane mangabe umakoti engekho ubese Cape Town ke ngokusebenza ngoba umculi uMamthimkhulu ohlala la waziwa ukuthiwa uFlorida kodwa ke uthe mayengithinta wayese esho ukuthi engathi kuyabheda lapha ngase ngifonela mina ke udadewabo kamakoti la ukuthi kwezakalana wathi ayi kufika abantu nje abathathu bangibuza emveni kwalokho base beyahamba waqhubeka nje isikhashana nabubona sekushunqa kodwa bathi baqale kushunqa kwayo ngoba behlalele bezingane nje bayingane nje wathathu yabo babona sekushunqa umthema engivide khola bekushunqa lendlu le yashunqa ke lendlu ngasibazama ngoba lana sakhanda into yokuthi kube khona amanzi ngoba amanzi asihlupha kakhulu kule ndawo sakhanda into yokuthi mhlambe amanzi angene lapha phakathi emathangini mangabe ke ngoba namavatelikani lawa ahambisa amanzi endaweni asabungena la sometimes liyana sometimes alini emveni kwalokho ke ayike kwasekushake kwasho ukuthi ke kushaka futhi kunomoya ngoba ngiyami ingqondo ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ayi ngokwesizini yokubabela nokushisa imililo la kwesisikhathi abingakafiki ivamise ukushiswa ngo-August ngoba la hlala kuyihlobo lobona ukuthi lokhujana notshalo busihlaza bumixile nje akubona utshalo buqualify ukuthi bungasha mabushisa mina ngafika ngo-2014 la
Ungizwe Mchunu house has been burnt down, and guys, this is so sad. This is really, really sad and very terrifying to the family as well. I never thought we will get here. Like, seriously, I never thought we will get here whereby his house, it can get burnt and, you know, a lot is just happening to this family. But there's an audio also that is trending online whereby Okai says, you know what, I know who did this. And he's mentioning things about Malawian and, you know. So now I'm sitting here thinking, Ori, can it be that guy, the guy who they had an like a, I don't know if I can say a fight or whatever that it is, but the video really trended on social media. Ungizo was asking the guy, ukuthi, do you have documents? And the guy from Malawi responded saying yes. And then Ungizo said, can you please show me your documents? Guy responded saying, are you a police? Like the clip really trended on social media. I know most of us saw the clip. And so now I'm sitting here thinking, worry, can it be that guy? But there is a video also of Ngizo Mkhono denying that no, it cannot be foreigners, because now he knows that he have enemies in South Africa. Like he do have enemies from South Africa. So now he is denying, saying nope, it cannot be foreigners. It's just a very complicated story, man. It's a very complicated one. I'm just sitting here trying to think, who can it be? Who can do such a thing? And some people that are saying Ungizo has done this himself because obviously he wants a donation. But guys, let's be real. Who can do something like that for something that he doesn't even know if he will get or not? I will never burn down my house because of donations that are not even here yet. You know, if the donations are here, maybe, but no, this one, it doesn't really make any sense. But anyway, guys, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this one?